Hello and welcome to my eBay auction. This is a 2005 Jayco Flight 29FBS, and it's going to the high bidder. No nonsense. I'm going to take a quick walk around it and show you that it doesn't have an awning on it. Decal peeling off a little bit. Everything works in it. I checked it out. The tires got a little dry rot. Outside shower. If you're going to take it on a long trip or take it on a trip, period, electric tongue jack, you're definitely going to change the tires. They are, for the record, 225/75. Anyhow, it's got a guy replaced the vinyl flooring in here. Actually did a pretty decent job. There was some debris under the slide out, ripped the floor a little bit. Oh well, it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it. Changed the floor again. Nice little bunk room, and there's nothing objectionable in here. It smells nice. There was no smoking, no pets. When I walk in right now, it has a good smell to it. There's no soft spots in the floor. He just didn't like carpeting. So up here is the front bedroom. Pretty standard for these. Got an island queen that you can barely get around on both sides. The toilet is separate from the shower. There's the toilet room. And here's the shower room. And there's the kitchen. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. I got to keep them short and sweet. Look at the photos or call me with any questions. Have a good day.